Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to listen to audiobooks on Spotify. So to begin the process, open the Spotify application and then get logged into the account of yours. Once you open the Spotify application, you tap on the search on the bottom, tap that. Then on the search bar, you need to type in audiobooks. Once you type in, you will be able to browse through the catalog and you will be provided with the search result of audiobooks that are available in Spotify. So if you just tap on certain and you tap on play, that audiobook will start playing on your Spotify. This is a one way how you can search audiobook or listen to audiobooks on Spotify. But if you are trying to listen to a certain particular one, you need to type in the exact details or you need to type in the audiobook name. Like I'm just gonna type in a name for example. The certain audiobooks on Spotify, you have to purchase it first before you can listen to it. You can do the transaction and then only after the purchase that will be available on your library and you can listen to that audiobooks from Spotify. So these are the way how you can listen to audiobooks on Spotify. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.